Hello everyone. I am Shruti K. Dikshit, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Department, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. This college is under the SAGE group. Today we will discuss about the subject Computer System Organization having code EC504. Today's our topic is Register Transfer and Micro Operations. Register transfer language, basically register transfer language means a specific notation used to specify the digital system is called register transfer language. For any function of the computer, the register transfer language can be used to describe the sequence of micro operations stored in the registers, different registers of a computer. For example, program counter, memory address register, memory data registers. These are the different registers of computer, and different operations are performed on the data which is stored in these registers, and these are known as micro operations. This register transfer language is a symbolic language, a convenient tool for describing the internal organization of digital computers, and can also be used to facilitate the design process of digital systems. As I have told you, the micro operations, the operations which is stored in the data in registers, these simple digital systems are frequently characterized in terms of the registers they contain and the operations that they perform. The functions built into registers are examples of micro operations. For example, shifting, loading, clear, increment. These are the different micro operations. Uh, Micro operations are considered fundamental operations carried out in the CPU or elsewhere. The first type of micro operation is register transfer micro operation. Here, the transfer of binary data from one register to another register. Arithmetic micro operation, this is the second type of micro operation which performs the arithmetic operations on the numbers data stored in registers. Third type is logic micro operations which performs the non-numeric data stored in registers. For example, AND operation, OR operation. And fourth type of micro operation is shift of micro operation. Different types of shift of micro operations are there: arithmetic shift, then circular shift, and logical shift. These three type of shift micro operations we will discuss. The register transfer, as I have told you, the internal hardware organization of a digital computer is best defined by specifying the set of registers it contains and their function. The sequence of micro operations performed on the binary data in the registers, the control that initiate the sequence of micro operation. These are the basic symbols used for register transfer. The first basic symbol is denotes a register. For example, MAR, memory address register, which is always denoted by capital letters and numerals. This R2 in bracket 027 means lower byte, higher byte, denotes a part of a register. Symbol is parenthesis is used. Then this symbol arrow is used to denote the transfer of information from one register, in this case R1 register to R2 register, and colon, which denotes the termination of control function. For example, here the CP is the control function, and here if it is 1, then only the transfer of information from P1 register to P2 register. And two micro operations are separated by the symbol comma. Here A register and B register, which is always denoted by the capital letter, and these micro operations are separated by the comma. Register transfer transfers all the data from one register to another register. Here registers I have taken R1 and R2. This is the complete register R1. Individual bits within R such as higher byte, lower byte. Numbering of bits in R2. And this program counter 0 to 7 PCL lower and PCH high 8 to 15. This is the conditional transfer. This P is the control function. If P is equals to 1, then only the data will be transferred from register R1 to register R2. This is the block diagram. This is the control circuit. Here, when P is equals to 1, here we can show it by timing diagram also. When the value of P is 1, then only the data from this register R1 to R2 will be transferred. The second type of micro operation is arithmetic micro operation. Performs arithmetic operations on numeric data stored in registers. Here arithmetic micro operations. First example, if I want to add the contents of register R1 and R2, then symbol plus is used. The explanation of this is contents of R1 is added to contents of R2 and which is transferred to register R3. You can use arrow as well as is equals to sign. Here subtraction arithmetic micro operation is there. Here ones complement, okay, again it is transferred to this R1 register. Here twos complement plus 1, if ones complement plus 1 is the twos complement. Here R1 plus 2's complement of R2, and here increment, if we want to increment the contents of R1 by 1, and here decrements the contents of R2 by 1. This is the hardware implementation of arithmetic micro operation, binary adder and binary adder subtractor. The third type of or we may call it as second type of logic micro operations, and or this operation consider each bit of register separately and treat them as binary variables. This is the example. The P is the control function. Here colon is used, and here the AND operation is performed. Exclusive OR operation is performed in between contents of register R1 and R2, and it is transferred to register R1. This symbol is used basically for AND operation, and this symbol is used for OR operation, and this plus and minus symbol is for arithmetic micro operation. So these are the two micro operations simultaneously performed and which is separated by this comma. Here R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 and R6 are different registers. Here the here the OR operation and addition operation is performed between the R5 and R6 register and R2 and R3 respectively, and it is transferred to this OR operation is transferred to R4 register, and AND operation is transferred to this R1 register with this condition P plus Q. These are the 16 logic micro operations are there for clearing. Then AND operation, this symbol is used. This is the Boolean function. For Boolean function, I have taken X and Y. This is the complement, B complement. Okay, AND operation between A and B register with B complemented. Then transfer of data from A register to F register. Then this is the AND operation between the register complement of A and B, transfer of B, then exclusively OR, this symbol is used for OR, this symbol is used, then NOR, exclusive NOR, complement, complement A, NAND and set all ones. These are the 16 logic micro operations. This is the hardware implementation of logic micro operation. 4 cross 1, this A and B are the inputs, S1 and S selection lines, and F is the output. AND operation, OR operation, XOR and complement. Using this micro operation, we can implement this hardware 4x1 multiplexer. Then last type of micro operation is shift micro operation for basically serial transfer of data in conjunction with arithmetic, logic and other data processing operations. Shifted to left and shifted to right. Logical, there are three types of shift micro operation: logical shift, circular shift and arithmetic shift. Logical shift, left, in left direction small l symbol is used. For right direction small r symbol is used. A logical shift is one that transfers 0 through the serial input. And for logical shift left and logical shift right micro operation, this is the one example I have taken here. This is the original data. If I want to shift this data to left direction, then it is shifted in this way, and here the 0 is added to the LSB position. This is the examples of logical shift, left logical shift and right logical shift. Here in the LSB position 0 is appended, here in MSB position 0 is appended. Shift micro operation, symbolic designations: shift left right register R, left L for R, small r is circular shift register CR, then R, then arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. The circular shift, example of circular shift, there are again in left direction and in right direction. CIL for left direction, CIR for right direction. This example I have taken here, there is no loss of information, but in case of logical micro operation there is a loss of information. And last type is arithmetic shift. Here arithmetic shift right shift and arithmetic left shift. Here the sign bit is unchanged and this LSB bit is lost in case of arithmetic right shift. In case of arithmetic left shift, here 0 is appended in LSB position. This arithmetic right shift operation example I have taken here, this is the original data, and after shifting here the sign bit is unchanged, okay, and this one data one is LSB position 1 is lost. Here arithmetic left shift operation, here this is the original data, and here after shifting this here in this LSB position 0 is appended. So this is all about the different type of register transfer and micro operations. We have discussed different type of micro operations: logical micro operation, then arithmetic operation, then register transfer. This is all about the micro operation.